Still stuck with a plain, forgettable cart page on your WooCommerce store? It might be costing you more than you think. Meet Product Cart Table for Elementor from ShopLentor. It transforms your default cart into a clean, professional product table, making it easier for customers to review their items and feel confident before checkout. Show products clearly, organize key details in a structured layout, and match everything to your brand without the usual complexity. Need more control? To use it, first go to your WordPress dashboard. Open ShopLentor settings and make sure the product cart table for Elementor widget is enabled. Then edit your WooCommerce cart page with Elementor. Search for the product cart table widget and drag it into your cart layout. From there, you can adjust the content, layout, and style settings exactly the way you want. Easily customize rows, headings, column widths, buttons, coupon options, product images, pricing styles, and more, all in one place. No clutter, no confusion, just a smoother, smarter cart experience. Upgrade your cart page with Product Cart Table for Elementor. Try it today with ShopLentor. To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to HasThemes on YouTube.